I remember the first time I heard about, true multi-tenant environments, outside of data center sort of based things was probably late 2000s was when people, sort of started talking about it, right? AWS was picking up steam, but it was still seen as that's something you could do for consumer apps, but not really it wasn't serious, like along the lines
That's
of what you're
right.
talking about. But it quickly changed. And the way I remember it changing was because all of these folks were doing a great job selling cloud because it was going to save people a lot of money. And I'm not so sure that's actually happened, frankly. I actually don't think, I mean, there are cases where I think being in the cloud has saved people money. I think there are other cases where it's actually been more expensive for a variety of reasons. But it feels to me that the value proposition, and I'm curious to get your perspective on it, is what you just described, which is, I'll use, for lack of a better term, portability, extensibility, and integration potential, which allows you to move faster, to be more innovative, and to develop products more quickly, as opposed to, well, the data center costs X and the cloud is X minus, so we should go to the cloud. That felt like the initial sort of logic that was being sold. And maybe that's just because that was how else were you going to sell it? They didn't know what else
Yeah.
it could do,
Yeah.